video. In today's video, we're going to be washing the face. I'm going to show you how I use aloe vera and rice to make a facial wash. It's a natural facial wash that I personally use on my skin, and it have my skin looking just clean, clear, and bright. When I touch my face right after, my face is just so smooth. I'm telling you guys, this is a must try. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share the full detailed recipe. However, before I share the recipe, if this is your first time watching and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also guys, there's a notification bell. If you click on that beside the word subscribe, you get a notification as soon as I post a video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
So here I have a fresh aloe vera leaf, and this one I picked up at my local grocery store. Fresh aloe vera leaf is readily available in most supermarkets in US. However, if you live somewhere where you have the fresh aloe vera leaf, just go outside, pick it, and now use it on the skin. From this fresh aloe vera leaf, I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the fresh aloe vera leaf. What I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the gel from the leaf. There are many ways to extract the gel, but for me, I personally like to use my knife to extract the gel. So let's cut about 2 ounces of the aloe vera leaf. Now I'm going to take the knife, I'm going to use it to cut both sides of the leaf. And then I'm going to go right under. This is one of the easiest way that I personally like to do it. Some people like to scrape it out. Choose to do it however you are comfortable. Most important is getting the gel out. So now here I have my 2 ounces of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to place this in my blender, a small blender. If you do not have a blender for this, you can go ahead and you could scrape the aloe vera gel. Now once this is done, I'm going to put this to the side and I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. My next ingredient is lemon, rich in citric acid, rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C help to boost collagen, help to nourish the skin, also help to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. In the peel of the lemon, you're going to find most vitamin C. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zest the lemon. To zest the lemon, I'm going to use a small grater, and I'm just going to rub the lemon on the grater. Now do not use the pit. All we're extracting is the zest from the lemon. So keep zesting, and we're looking for about a teaspoon or so of lemon zest. Now once this is done, we are going to take our lemon zest and we're going to place this in the blender along with the aloe vera gel. So 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, adding this to the blender. If you do not have lemon zest and you have lime zest or even some orange zest, you can go ahead and use that instead. I'm also going to be using some rose water, and today I'm using about a tablespoon of rose water. Rose water helps to hydrate and nourish and balance the natural pH level of the skin. So now here in our blender, we have aloe vera gel, lemon zest, rose water, and now we're going to blend, and we are going to blend well. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our aloe vera mixture. This mixture, you can actually use it directly on the skin to wash your face. However, I like to kick it up a notch, and that's why I'm going to be using the rice. I find this combination to be really, really amazing on my skin. So here in my bottle, I already have some blended rice. You can choose to just blend your rice in the blender to a powder. No need to refrigerate it. You can leave it on the countertop in a cool area. Rice is great for tightening and firming and boosting collagen production on the skin. When used as a facial wash, it helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, get rid of grease and dirt from the skin, hydrates the skin, and keep your skin looking younger and fresher. So I'm using about 3 tablespoons of the rice. Pour this in the blender, and next I'm going to reach for some hot water. Make sure the water is the boiling point. I like when the rice is a bit creamy, so the hot water is going to make it really, really creamy. So now we are going to go ahead and we are going to blend. Now after blending the rice, take a look. This is exactly what I was looking for. nice and creamy. If you use cold water, it is not going to be creamy, so definitely use the hot water. And once this is done, you're going to set the rice aside to cool. This is going to take about 20 minutes or so, and then it is ready to put together. Now after this is done, we are going to reach back for our aloe vera mixture, and we're going to pour this in our rice cream. And now we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. We're mixing rice, aloe vera gel, lemon zest, and rose water. Blend and blend well. Once this is done, our facial wash is ready to use on the skin. Now you can choose to pour this in a bottle with a pump or an open mouth bottle like I'm using here. Any sterilized jar that you have will do. And take a look, here we have our aloe vera rice facial wash. A facial wash that is great for most skin type. Rice is one ingredient that will not irritate the skin. This is good for oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, aging skin, sagging skin, you name it. To wash your face with this, just use it as a regular facial wash, AM and PM. Put a small amount in your hand and use it on your face. Rub your face with it, your face, your neck, and décolleté for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is done, you are going to rinse off and reveal beautiful looking skin. This is going to help to transform your skin. You have blackheads and whiteheads on the skin. You have hyperpigmentation on the skin. You have wrinkles all over your skin. You have deep parentheses. You're going to use this to wash your face. Wash your face to reveal clean, clear, bright, naturally glowing skin.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.